Welcome back to the Stay at Home Grow Your Own Planter. It's now time to have a look to see what we do next, and that's thinning out. The seeds have grown really well, particularly the radish, but they're too close together. So we need to take out some of the weaker seedlings so that the remaining ones can grow properly and give you a crop. So you can use a trowel, but actually I like using an old teaspoon for this because I find it easier to handle. Here I've got a larger one and I want to remove the weaker ones. So very gently, I'm just going to go alongside it, holding on by a leaf and prick it out. Tease up the roots, and there you have one I've taken out. That can be transplanted into another pot or row. I'm going to put it aside at the moment and carry on until I'm happy with what I've got left. If you see any weeds coming up, you can get rid of those as well. So I'm just going to firm them around again, because they'll need to have a chance to resettle. And then some of the bigger ones here, I'm actually just going to group around. I've got a little bit more space here. Now I can see that. So I'm actually going to transplant some of them in this pot as well. So it'll end up giving a double row. So I'm making a little hole, popping it in, and then very gently firming it back. So that's why it's good to have a good gap between the rows when you're sowing in the first place. So holding them gently by the leaf, then we can pop it in, firm it down, and then we have a few more. There we go. So now I've got to do the same with the spinach and the lettuce. I have got some spaces in the rows, so I'll be able to transplant them directly in there. So that's that thinning out done. The leeks here as well could probably do with another little thinning out themselves, although they can wait another week because they're still very small. Once you've done that, give them a good water to settle them back in, and obviously water regularly, and watch out for any pests that want to eat them. You can see how many I've taken out. Don't be tempted to overfill. These can always go into another part of the garden or another pot. So a nice gentle water, and they're all set and happy. Great to see so many of you on the Facebook group. Don't forget to watch more of our YouTube videos, search for Abberton Rural Training, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy planting!